Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today to share with you my new toy has arrived. I got this from the Stamps of Life. No, it's not the Gemini. This was actually back ordered and I ordered it last year at the ending of the year. And it's finally come in. It's can you see it? It's upside down. Let me turn it around. I cannot wait. Ooh. So it is a bigger platform than the machine that I use currently, and I am so glad to upgrade, although now I have second thoughts and I might want the Gemini. I'm not sure. I might add that in addition because I'm on a no spend, and so far in January I have not. Doing very well. Not bought any craft supplies other than, like, I bought this last year and barely paid for it. Let me tell you how I did that. And then I have my club kits that I get, but that's it. I am in desperate need of double-sided tape or score tape, and I am trying my best not to go to store to get that or even a tape runner because I might pick up other things, and I'm trying to do my best. So I'm using whatever adhesive I can find in my craft room until I use it up, and then I'll break down and go. So wish me luck, but lucky. So let me get it out of this box and we'll take a better look. Yes, so look at my stuff. I'm so excited to get playing and die cutting. Lord knows I have a lot of die cuts to get through since I've been getting them all in my club kit. But let me also tell you about how I got this for a really good price because I'm a club member and my renewal. So stay tuned. I will tell you about that. If you're new here, welcome. I appreciate you stopping by. I hope you consider subscribing and join me on my crafty journey. And if you're returning, welcome back. I always appreciate your support and your love. Leave a comment in the description box below if you have any questions. I would love to hear from you. If you have this machine, if you have any tips or tricks you would like to share with me, I appreciate it. Hope you're having a crafty day. I hope to see you back here real soon. And until my next video, shakas!